Ready to unlock the power of GitHub for your Windows projects and transform your code into running software. First, set the stage. You'll need a Windows development environment, complete with your preferred and the necessary build tools for your chosen programming language while you're C, C#, Java, or whatever you're working with. Ensure your toolchain is correctly configured and the project is locally ready to be compiled. Next, examine your project's source code. Identifying dependencies that your project may rely on. These essential components are typically managed using a package manager specific to your chosen language, such as NuGet for C# or VCPKG for C. Correct dependency management is crucial to avoid compilation errors. Now, let's get this show on the road with compiling. Using your IDE's built-in tools or a command line interface, execute the build process for your project. This step converts your source code into machine-readable instructions for Windows, and the terminal will show any errors. After a successful build, your compiled executable and any supporting files, like TLAs, will be located in a dedicated .put directory on your application on your Windows system and test it thoroughly. Deploy your software to your intended users, offering them the application to run at will. Finally, package your application correctly for a Windows-friendly deployment. Use tools such as installers for wider distribution. Then, you can make your project available to the GitHub community. There you have it, your very own Windows application built, packaged, and ready to go. Explore more and happy coding.